Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add levels to your Fibonacci retracement on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 and let's add a Fibonacci. So let's click here and now this is our Fibonacci as you can see. Now to add a level, all you have to do is click on your Fibonacci like this 2 times and you will see this pen. Click on it. Then we have here levels. Click on this pen and you have to add your level here. So let's say, for example, you want to add the 79% level. Okay. So all you have to do is type here 79.0 if you want. And here you have to add 0.79. Okay. Like this. If you want to add, let's say, 150% level, you will type 150 here, and here you will type 1.5. Okay, I think that you get the idea. Now, let's go back and click on done. Make sure you click on done. And as you can see here, this is the 79% that we added. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.